Hello, my name is Mark Roberts, and I've been teaching English for a long time now. And one of the things that I've heard so many students say over the years is, you can't really revise for English, can you? Now, I know that that's wrong. And I believe that this common misconception is something that's holding so many students back from reaching their true potential in the subject. So I've decided to write a revision guide that's like nothing else out there. Whereas most other English revision guides tell you what to write about, this really focuses on how. And it takes you on a step-by-step process through looking at things like the most ineffective revision strategies to avoid, looking at the most important quotations to work on, and working through each of the individual stages of planning and writing your essays and improving your work over time as you get closer to the exam. As well as that, we're going to look at some of the more complicated things to revise for that students really struggle with, such as looking at the English language, extracts, and also looking at how to revise for creative writing, and even things like unseen poetry, which the most confident students tend to struggle with. So if you found yourself feeling as if you're falling behind in English recently, or perhaps you just don't have a particular area of focus that you're going to feel really comfortable revising for, well, I'm here to show you how to do it. So my book, You Can't Revise for GCSE English, Yes You Can, and Mark Roberts shows you how, is available now for pre-order. Thank you.